Hi, hello, how are you? Just wanted to quickly go over a website I've created to solve a problem that I had. Now, I've been playing around with Stable Diffusion for a couple of weeks, months now, and one problem I keep having is I don't know what words to type into my prompt besides, the keywords that I need to use to, generate the actual, subject, but when it comes to maybe the background or the actual scenery around my subject, I just kind of fall flat and my images are just kind of boring because of that. So I, instead of learning how to prompt better, which I mean this did teach me how to prompt better, I decided to create something that will prompt for me so I don't have to learn how to prompt better, if that makes sense. So I'm introducing PrompterWave, a website I created, and I'm actually going to delete my account so I can make this as a new user experience so that it isn't, doesn't feel like it's authentic or fresh. Like I really just want to make it as apparent as possible that this is pretty easy to use and it's accessible to anyone with a desktop. I don't have a mobile version yet. It's not responsive, but we're just in version 0. I haven't even launched this application into production. So yeah, just bear with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and click register here, and now I can sign in with my Clerk middleware provider. All right, we're pretty much it. We have an account now and we're on the dashboard. And I'm typing in ocean, waves, beach day, and it's going to take a few seconds to call an API, and then it's going to give us our post, right? So now that we have a post, maybe we can take this, and now this is assuming you already know how to run Stable Diffusion. I just did this a second ago to make sure everything was working. So I have these two pictures from before. I'm going to type in our new prompt. I'm going to take our new dislikes, which are negative prompts, things you don't want to see in your picture in Stable Diffusion, type those in, and now I'm going to generate that photograph based on this idea of, beach day, ocean kind of concept, right? So it's generating me a person. My computer isn't the fastest, so I apologize about the speed. I only have a 2060, literally the lowest tier RTX GPU you can use for this kind of stuff. So it is what it is. But it's generating me a picture. I'm getting a good vibe already from just seeing what I'm seeing. And if I wanted to pull that up in my database, here it is right here, plus the other prompt I gave it for the first time I generated something a few minutes ago. Now this page is not completely done. I do have some technical issues. I'm working on getting a date and time log for each entry, and then fixing the UI to not use a button and just automatically download all of the information, which would be awesome. So that is pretty much it. That is PrompterWave. I really just didn't want to learn how to prompt better. I just wanted to make cool pictures, and I think this really helps me. And if it can help me, maybe it can help you or someone that really enjoys using Stable Diffusion, but are getting kind of crappy pictures because they're not as, verbose or creative as they need to be to make the pictures look really, really awesome. So, yeah, I think it's a pretty good little piece of kit to pair with your generator if you're using text to image. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's PrompterWave. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Goodbye.